Yo, what up, boys? So, February 5th, it is currently 10:29 a.m. Eastern Time. I did want to go over today's trade as well as some stuff I've learned. Overall, today, I will say it's been a pretty difficult day for me. Um, Let me check. Yeah, y'all can check this out. So, it was a pretty difficult day for me. Did have some psychological issues, I'm going to be completely honest. Um, I am starting to hesitate my ability to trade, but again, that's something I have to overcome because I've already proven profitability. I have the data to support that. I've pulled out payouts. Like, just gonna have to start normalizing these losses. Thank you to my boy Davion for actually helping me out with that because it's something we all got to go through, right? But it was an interesting day to say the least, right? I do want to point out that we did low key lose a band on the Alpha Futures account. A little bit of a overtrade there, and gonna learn from that. Gonna be completely transparent about that. We did also. Um, so actually, kind of funny story. I had personal daily loss limit on this account for $1,000. Um, we were in the short, looking like a really good short. SMT, liquidity sweep, turtle soup, blah blah blah, and then displacement, order block respect. Oh my God, this is golden. Turns out we just get liquidated right here, right? Because of the $1,000 personal daily loss limit. So, uh, can't say too much about it. We end up losing actually on the day 1.2K instead of winning I think this was like 2K right here. Would have banged on the Fresh Express. But again, it's whatever. You know, guys, like it's whatever. Um, you want to say though, uh, we did end up halfway passing an eval today. So yeah, we ended up halfway passing an eval today. So right here, it was just a volume trade with my evals. At least now, I really don't care for them. It's just whatever, $50, $50, halfway pass them, then another halfway pass them, and that's it, bro. Like can't be staying on a stage because the more you stay on this, bro, low key, the more time wasted. So, but let me give you all a quick trade recap on today's New York session. For y'all boys that low key don't believe me about the alpha situation, let me show y'all. I am pretty disappointed in myself. Yeah, a lot of stuff happened today. So here, I'll show it on this though, because this looks way. Ooh, that's not good. There we go. I'm gonna have to cut that out, or whatever. So we had a little short right here. Again, I have no reason to lie with y'all boys. Uh, they got in right here and targeted at 1 to 1. I lowered my risk, of course, and I got rinsed. Um, pretty pretty well said in my opinion. I got literally ran through. And again, like dude, like this is perfect to the T, perfect. Um, it's beautiful displacement. I trade off displacement, just expecting the volume to continue, but we did not. So unlucky, but I did wanna. I'll go over something that I did notice within hold up within the past couple damn within the past couple days, right? So yeah, we just ended up tapping this order block. We rejected it. Mine she was actually right here. Sorry, rejected it, and don't believe me, mine she is right there. Okay. So respected it, and then we just got in after that because I'm like, damn, dude, like low key, we're just gonna continue going lower, right? We had an SMT as well. We had a micro SMT. That's a little bit niche, but yeah. Uh, so after that, went on a little bit of a tilt, but it's alright. Do need to learn from that. Okay. With that being said, though, I did learn something from today, before yesterday, and also yeah. I did realize that market's low key been really choppy coming up to 9:45. So I do want to start waiting until exactly 9:47, 9:48. You can see here, like literally after this chop, then we finally got to move, right? So I do want to start waiting for that. This is a pattern that I've recognized because it also happened yesterday at 9 in the morning as well. Let me find yesterday real quick. What the heck? Um, right here. Oh yeah, yesterday it's 9:45. Pre 9:45 we had a little short, but then after this it's just all chop, and then we finally do something. So I'm gonna start waiting longer. I'm not gonna start taking any trades until after 9:45, 9:47. Uh, just because I want to start getting the market some more time to really tell me what it's gonna do. Again, I'm reacting off the market. I'm not predicting it, right? So um, yeah. So after that trade, the first initial trade where I got literally railed, um, we go into my next trade right here, right? Which is where the incident happens, right? The incident where I had my daily loss limit. I set the daily loss limit for myself, and then I forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie, pretty stupid of me, but it is what it is. Another day, another lesson learned. Unfortunately, I'm down 1.2k. That's just gonna take me one good trade though to get out of, right? So it's whatever. Um, damn, bro, I'm sick. Um, so yeah, and then yeah, I caught the eval trade following that after just volume. So halfway past eval, my current plan at least is gonna be getting this express out of drawdown. Might be tomorrow or Monday, some bullshit like that. But it's gonna also give me winning days, so I need those for sure. Then leverage low key up. I'm gonna start leveraging a little bit heavy. I do want to get this account to like 6k, 7k by pause by the end of the month. That's the plan. I'm gonna pull out. So currently I'm setting at 1.2k for the month. Profits. It's the fifth of the month. I want to hit 5k this month. That's the goal I have for myself. Um, of course I want to exceed that goal, right? So I'm gonna get this account back. I'm gonna get the eval passed, and then I'm also with the alpha account. You got like $400 drawn on. I'm just gonna. We'll see. Maybe tonight at Asia we'll do some with it, but I do want to get it back up. That's an account where I can get at least like a 1.5k profit, which brings me closer to my goal. So I'm not just gonna throw it out the window. And then worst case scenario, we'll just hop on the $80 and exterminate them. But uh, but yeah, overall it was a really good day. I do think psychologically I could have done better. I do think the alpha features account. I definitely shouldn't have taken another trade. Mad at myself. I changed that lockout rule, but switched it to one trade a day now. Don't worry about that. Yeah, it wasn't. It was a interesting day, right? We got more than anything. We learned our lesson. Going into tomorrow, so we have something to carry with us. Um, the PNL, whatever, something we can get back, and then we have the eval that's almost half past. Sorry, oh my god. But yeah, low key, pretty good day. Do want to mention that we got that 50k, the 50k giveaways coming up, right? So if y'all are interested in that, hold up, am I chopped right now? Oh, I wasn't at chop. Whatever. So yeah, I do want to mention that if y'all are interested into entering the 50k giveaway, for sure tap into like the Instagram. That's where I'm posting like daily and stuff. Let me show you a voice real quick. And I'm really trying to grow my Instagram. So go check it out and stuff. It's just gonna be the same tag as my YouTube. It's gonna be Yankee Seabass. Uh, people know how to say Salas, but like again, like not everyone knows how to say that. So to each their own. But uh, but hell yeah, boys, it was super dope. According to this, I'm probably gonna push out another video later. Maybe psychological, maybe just a back test session. Might be a back test. Oh, I do have a call with my boy later. I'm gonna be helping him out with the charts and back testing. So maybe I'll record that as well. With that being said, though, y'all have a good day. If y'all are gonna continue trading today, please don't be stupid. Please be smart with how y'all trade. Um, Markets are pretty interesting lately, so be careful. But let's get this bread, and I'll catch y'all probably later today, if not tomorrow, for the recap tomorrow. So with that being said, boys, y'all have a blessed day. So I'll take care.